Why is it that the things that make us feel most alive are the things that are most likely to destroy us? What's up, guys? So I just got a motorcycle. It's pretty awesome. I love it. It's not perfect. It's got a couple little cosmetic blemishes on it, but I'm gonna fix her up. Probably sell it for a little more than I got it for, or considerably amount higher than what I got it for, hopefully. But then I'll upgrade to an even better one and keep upgrading from there. So there's a lot going on. I'm gonna go on a little ride through the mountains right now. I'll take you guys with me. And then once I get there, I'll tell you guys why the hell I got this crazy machine that I'm riding on every day. To scoot in between the lanes like that here in Cali and Utah. That's it, nowhere else. Let's check out this view real quick. Ooh. Nice, nice. Pretty epic bridge. Man, beautiful. All right, let's go. There it is. Let's check out the view real quick. Incredible. Wow. So let's check it. I haven't seen a waterfall in a long time. Way too long. Let's go find it. So hot. It's freaking the end of October. California, baby. All right, heading down the hill. So there's pretty much 3 main reasons that I decided to get that sick motorcycle. So the first reason is I needed a solid commuter vehicle. I had a crap car. I bought it like 4 years ago. Straight trash car. So anyway, the car was not working out. I had payments on it to still make. So I was paying $300 a month, even while I was not using it, for it to just sit in my parking spot in my apartment complex. Just taking up space, collecting dust, looking horrible as it degraded in the sun and the elements without moving. So anyway, that POS is gone. I sold it. I sold it for junk. I was thinking about selling it to someone on Craigslist. You know, maybe they could fix it up, but to be honest, it didn't feel right to sell it to someone as a working car. It's junk. It's a junk car. I sold it as a junk car. I was not about to get caught up in the sunk cost fallacy, where I keep just putting money in this thing, trying to keep this ship from sinking and just emptying everything, and no matter what I do, it just keeps failing. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna step back. I'm not gonna put any more money into this other than the payments. I was like, I'm done. I'm just gonna let it sit there, I'm gonna pay it off, get rid of it. So it's gone. Got rid of it. Bye, Felicia. While it was sitting in my driveway, I needed some way to get to work. Ended up buying a 50cc motor scooter because I heard that you don't need a motorcycle license for them. And I needed something like that. I needed to get to work. I didn't want to pay crazy prices for Lyft or Uber. It's like 50 bucks a day if I do that, and I've done it many times. All right, here we are. What's up, doggies? Hi. Hey, buddy.
Did you make a new friend?
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Sorry, she's a little weird with men.
That's okay.
Men.
No worries.
She's more comfortable with women and dogs.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see, running in the water. Come on. Come on, Ash.
Hey, sweetheart.
Come on. Go.
Do you know where the trail is for Switzer Falls?
Okay, yeah, I know. I come up here hiking all the time and I've yet to find the fall.
Okay.
So I don't know.
All right.
Seriously, like we went that way and went 6 whole miles and never...
Really?
I think it's that one.
Okay, I was thinking it might be
other
that way
trail
too.
that's over there,
Okay.
That's where it is.
Okay, I'll check it out.
That one too, I never seen this one.
Really? Okay. I'll check it out.
I know it's here because I see pictures all the time.
Yeah.
I even have friends who are like, we found it! I'm like, hey, where?
Where?
I've
Yeah.
never seen it.
Yeah, I read
I think it's
that.
that one.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Appreciate it. I actually read a bunch of comments on this place where people said it was hard to find the actual falls. So maybe if my Garmin GPS was actually charged, I would have been able to easily find it, but it isn't, and I'm okay with that. Oh, beautiful out here. Can't believe mountain nature just like that. So nice. So yeah, like I was saying, I got a motor scooter. I drove that for a while, and did not feel comfortable taking it out here, considering it has a max speed of like 35. Can't even keep up with traffic, you know what I mean? So anyway, I drove that to work every day. Talking about once I hit the hills going to Bel Air, talking about going like 15 miles an hour uphill. It was crazy slow. Downhill, it was fast, maybe even too fast for that thing. Anyway, the scooter crapped out on me eventually. So I needed another option. So I got a motorcycle. It's something that can keep up with traffic safely, unlike a motor scooter, unlike a 50cc motor scooter. It can get me to work in good time, And I mean, another thing about commuting is that the traffic in LA is just horrendously horrible. But on a motorcycle, in California at least, you're legally allowed to split lanes and go in between lanes and kind of weave your way through stop traffic. So that's helped me significantly. And so that's one reason, the commute, the traffic, and all that. Hey guys.
Hello.
How was Switzer Falls?
Not very solid.
Really? All right. Thank you. So anyway, back to the motorcycle story. So I didn't have a bunch of money to get a used car, obviously not a new car. So I couldn't purchase like a quality used car with the money I had. Didn't want to get payments again because that was a straight up disaster last time. So I wanted something that I could just pay, you know, like $1,000 for and be on my way. So I found this motorcycle. It cost me $1,000, gets me to work. It's solid, it's in good shape. It's great. I mean, the maintenance on it is also cheap. So if there's any repairs or anything, a lot of it I can do myself, and the parts are way cheaper than cars. It's just quicker than cars to work on too. It's just all around better. So grateful for that freaking thing. That leads me to my third reason why I got a motorcycle. And that is the freedom, baby. Freedom to go out to places like this. Freedom for traffic to not apply to me. Just overall freedom, the sense of freedom when riding a motorcycle is through the roof. It's incredible. I even have freedom for where in the lane I want to ride. Do I want to ride on the left side of the lane, the right side? Maybe right down the middle. It's incredible, man. And for being able to do it so cheap, I mean, I get like 50 miles to the gallon, which is great, but not as good as my motor scooter, which got like 100. So I believe, if I am not mistaken, I was talking about the overwhelming freedom that comes with riding a motorcycle. And I gotta say, I know this sounds strange, and before I say it, let me preface it with this. I was in a veterans Facebook group the other day, or maybe a month or two ago. Yeah, more like a month or two ago. And there's this one guy on there who said that riding a motorcycle majorly helps him with his PTSD. And I was like, huh, that isn't inherently obvious why that is the case, but I could kind of see where, you know, how that might be able to help, you know, something about the adventure aspect of it, or the aspect of going into survival mode and then shutting it off when you get off your motorcycle, instead of just always being like on hypervigilant alert. It's like giving yourself an on and off switch to your hypervigilance. That's how I see it anyway. So anyway, what I'm trying to say with this is that it's changed my life. It's really weird. It's just a vehicle, but I'm significantly happier. I feel significantly more free. I feel like I can do more. It's interesting. And now I'm out here doing this, and I would be stuck at home. It's just incredibly empowering, and man, I'm just very grateful to have it. I'm gonna try to be as safe as possible. I'm not trying to show off, I'm not trying to do wheelies, I'm not trying to do any crazy stunts and all that. I'm just trying to get to work and back, and get to my adventures and back safely and in a fun way. 'Cause that's another thing about it. It is so fun. It is so freaking fun. Way more than driving a car. Cars are cool, cars are awesome, but dude, Dude, come on, man.
Water right now, so there's so many bugs.
Oh
I
yeah.
was here like 2 weeks ago. It was so nice.
Is there any waterfall flowing?
There's probably a little bit, but
Okay.
you're probably like another mile or so.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good to
But
know.
it's really not a bad hike. You kind of hike down and then you hike back up.
She was like, oh, just make sure you have a light on you or whatever, just in case the sun goes down. I was like, duh, of course. This isn't my first day. Yeah, but I didn't bring a light. Nah, I didn't bring a light. I was too focused on my motorcycle and my cameras and my microphone setup and all this stuff that I kind of forgot some basic equipment. No biggie. All right, that's not gonna work. Let's go around. Hey guys. Hi. Hey. If what that lady said was true, and there's another mile to the falls, I'm gonna have to haul ass because it's like 4, sunset's at like 5. And any number of variables could happen while I'm out here. By the way, I'm dumb enough to not bring my survival necklace. Not because I didn't bring it, but because I've actually redesigned it. And I'm still in the process of making the new ones. So I don't have any of the new ones ready. So I'm that dumb. I came out here, no Garmin SOS device, no survival equipment, no flashlight, pretty much like a hiking noob. I'm out here. I don't have any of that stuff with me, but I'm okay with that. It's just makes it a little more exciting, a little more pressure. I'm not sure if that's why I'm out here, for pressure, but hey, I'll roll with the punches as they come. It is what it is, as they say. All right, so I'm gonna haul ass. Let's get there, guys. Come on. Whew. All right, so I'm out of breath as hell. Just came up that hill. Saw this view. I was like, dang, gotta show you guys. All right, trails this way. Let go. All right, what do we have here? This is going down, so I'm guessing that's towards the trail. Let's see the sign. Oh, okay. Switzers. Okay. Switzers is 1.4 that way. I'm guessing they mean the picnic ground that I just came from. So I'm gonna go this way, down, because the creek lines this valley here. I don't know if you can see me, I don't have my screen flipped around, but yeah, the creek follows that little valley. Man, this is so beautiful, look at it. Wow, crazy. So the creek's down there, that means the waterfall's gotta be down there somewhere. All right, so the trail winds down here, descending all the way down to there, and I guess keeps going. Hopefully the waterfall is down there somewhere. Blurry finger. I've been going for a little bit. Feels like maybe 45 minutes or so. Still not there. Which would be a very short hike for a weekend. But considering I rode an hour here and there's an hour back, and I work tonight at 10 p.m., I'm trying to not stretch this out too late. Descending back into the vegetation, which should spell waterfall, though I don't hear it yet. I am patiently awaiting its trickle. One of the things I read in the comments about this place before even coming was that a lot of people say it's really hard to find. Some people say they've tried all these different trails around here to find the falls. The woman I talked to right at the trailhead said she's been here a bunch of times. One time she hiked for like 6 hours. She still couldn't find it. So I don't really know that I'm gonna find it. Oh no! My helmet fell. All right, I'm just gonna take it the rest of the way. America, red, white, and blue, baby. All right, I just saw a sign that said falls. There it is. Boom. So I'm almost there. Anyway, I was about to say that I'm not sure if I'm gonna find it because it's been a while and there's still no falls, so. But I think I'm just about there. Despite it being a little tricky and confusing, I could see how people can get lost or confused because there are kind of a lot of forks and little junctions and stuff out here that you could accidentally take. But it seemed relatively clear to me that this was the main trail. So, I don't know, whatever. I made it. Almost. I don't know if you can see all these gnats, but they're insane. Woo! Look at this. This freak. Try not to cuss. This is incredible. I'm trying really hard to contain my excitement. I'm trying not to swear for YouTube guidelines. But it's hard because this is incredible. Holy wow, look at this. This is so mysterious and such a different reality from where I woke up at home today. This freaking beautiful valley, or canyon, should I say. Sorry for the lack of the hyper smooth stabilization. My GoPro is dead, so I just have my DSLR to work with right now, which has image stabilization, but not nearly as good as the GoPro. Whew. Got a little bit of workout. It's got to be this way. Okay, so got a little side trail over here, it looks like. There it is, the falls, raging waterfalls. Whew. I made it, guys. Oh, and look, an engine. All right, so I made it. I'm gonna shut up so I don't disturb this couple over here. Take a few photos, a little bit of video, and be on my way. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I actually keep up this adventure vlog thing because it's fun as hell, and I need to create more. You understand. All right, guys, peace. Bye.